Hey guys, Scott Bryce from Performance Motorsport in Australia again. Just wanted to show you a little bit more detail about our transfer case and ultra narrow differentials for the side-by-side and smaller buggy type market. The last photo we put up generated quite a bit of interest and a lot of phone calls, a lot of emails, and a lot of questions, like hundreds and hundreds of comments asking a lot more detail about this particular device. So just wanted to run through why it is we're talking about it now and what it's about. So a couple of years ago we had some interest from some customers in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and we were asked to try and put together a transfer case to allow the guys to run four-wheel drive in their Hayabusa powered ZX14 R1 sand buggies. Most of the buggies that they have in Dubai and Abu Dhabi are basically a motorcycle powered chain-driven Polaris. They pull out the front diffs and they lose the four-wheel drive functionality. So they asked us if we could develop a transfer case that would allow you to run a front diff and a rear diff and get rid of all the chains and V-drives and belt drives and all the things that are problems with these side-by-sides. So what we have developed here is a transfer case that close couples up to most motorcycle engines, ZX14, the Hayabusa, R1s, whatever you want to throw at it. We have a coupling system here to couple most motors together. We have a quick change plate that comes off the front here to get right into these quick change gears. You just slide the gears off, change the ratio without having to re-ratio the front and rear diff. We have a front tail shaft output, a rear tail shaft output, and of course you can run your Polaris or Can-Am diffs, whatever you've already got, or you can look at running our side-by-side ultra narrow diffs. These are very similar to our trophy truck and buggy diffs, Ultra 4s. They're just a little bit smaller, and they run the series 10, 13 or 15. Most people know them as 930 CV joints. So depending on the size of the CV joints, we've got a few different options of differentials for that. And of course these differentials have the CVs, as you can see here, right up inside the middle of the CV, which gives you a lot more wheel travel and ground clearance. So I hope that clears up some of the confusion as to what the photo was about and how it works. So a couple of people thought the motor was sideways and it was a two-wheel drive reduction box. It's not. This is a four-wheel drive transfer case. It's got massive gears, massive shafts. It is designed to be bulletproof, probably up to around 800, 900 horsepower capable. Very quickly able to change the gears. There's about 60 different gear ratios. We're using some quick change gears out of a sprint car. So there's 60 ratios available in the US and Europe. They're all over the world. It should be a very interesting project when these guys come along and tell us to go ahead. So if you have some interest in this particular transfer case and our differentials or any of our components, please message me. Don't leave comments on our page, because we have hundreds and hundreds of comments now and we just can't sift through the comments looking for questions. So please either email us at Performance or send a message directly to us, and don't leave a comment in the video or in the photos. So thanks guys, I appreciate your feedback, and keep tuned and we'll show you some more details soon.